Hey guys, so today I want to take a few minutes and really give you an example of what I mean when I say this is not about mass marketing. We have to get rid of the mass marketing mindset. So I want to give you an example of what I mean by that and what this looks like when I start doing research for how to connect with one person who's got one problem, need, want, or desire and offer them what they're looking for specifically. So let's rethink this for just a moment. Let's say that you've decided that your business may be in a B2B marketplace and you want to tailor some type of a piece of content to starting a business. So that's where you go to Google, you start and you put in starting a business. Now look at the number of people or number of results that you get when you put that in. 736 million results for starting a business. That is way too broad. And the odds of you ever getting anywhere near the front page of that is, well, probably next to impossible. So what I wanted to do is I went into something like SEMrush and I looked inside SEMrush and I wanted to see what is a good topic for starting a business. And you can see again these results. The volume is 22,200 volume, 676 million results. And if I was going to look at this on the paid side, if I was going to target someone for starting a business, the cost per click is roughly $5.18. So that is astronomical. So then back inside SEMrush, I looked down and I wanted to see, okay, what are some other keywords? And what is some of the volume and some of the relationships to those volumes? You know, how to start a business or starting a business has 22,000 versus how to start a business at 40,500. If I go even more to related keywords, I can see that the cost per click for starting a business is $28.66, but notice the spelling is wrong. Or just starting a business had 0. Now, the next thing I want to know is what are influencers thinking about this, right? We're not going to get into all of that today. That's actually being saved for the webinar that's coming up in a couple of weeks on September 11th on how to double your traffic in 90 days or less. Matter of fact, qualified traffic to your website. But let's think about this. What are the influencers saying about this topic? So, copy hackers. You just go out and I did some research again on starting a business. They have the all-in-one content marketing playbook for startups. Neil Patel, how 4 startups successfully launched their business through content marketing. And StartupGrind.com, how 4 startups successfully launched their business through content marketing. Notice the theme of what these blogs were writing on. They were writing on startups and they were writing on content marketing. So we're zeroing in, we're getting a little bit more specific. So if we evolve our topic from starting a business to starting a business with content marketing, you're getting more specific. Remember, your goal is to appeal to those who have the ability to share your content with their audience and provide you with high authority backlinks to your content, or I give you access to those who serve the same audience you do in a different way, or to those startups who have the money to pay for your services, and it helps you build your business reasonably. Now I go back to SEMrush, starting a business with content marketing. There's nothing there. All right, this tells me there's a flag, there's a problem. This is not something people are looking for. So what if I take it and I evolve it to content marketing for startups? Boom. Now the volume is only 30 and the number of results is 3.1 million. The cost per click has come down from $28 to $22.23. So content marketing for startups is a really good start. But there's still zero emotion and no incentive. Remember, people click through. The economy of the web is a click, right? It's not money, it's a click. So we always have to be thinking about that emotional side. So this is where some creativity is really helpful. So instead of saying content marketing for startups, let's get a little more specific. 10 traffic busting content marketing tips for startups, or content marketing success for startups in 90 days or less. right? These are things that everybody can agree on. This gets me a little bit more excited. Yeah, I need traffic busting content marketing tips. I need to figure out how to get the right traffic to my website, because the website that Design Source Media made is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It does everything I want it to do, and I want people to come there and see it. But I also want them to convert and become leads, that become prospects, that become paid customers. All right, so we're not going to go into the article structure today. I just wanted you to see that we want to get much more specific with the types of titles that we're creating. And we don't want to start broad. We want to get into the specifics. We went from just startups, business startups, to business startups in content marketing, to 10 traffic busting content marketing tips for startups, or content marketing success for startups in 90 days or less. That has a little bit more oomph, emotion, and incentive for someone to click through.